Fireworks. What? Oh, people are in my way. Oh God.
You broke it.
Oh.
You broke the last.
Oh, quiet.
You see fireworks?
No.
Oh, it's okay.
Can't you see? Oh my God. What the? Maybe if you put that one on that one, it will glow.
The top of this too.
No, maybe if you put that in that, it will glow it. But you really think that's gonna work? That's not what I meant.
On this?
Yes.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
It should. Hey Sean. Think you're doing it? Think you're doing it doggy style?
Alex, I waste like all my graduation money today, you know that, right?
I still have money.
You
What?
owe me shit.
I mean, not with me.
You owe me $8.
I love you too.
Either that or you let me have that. Well, not that, I mean the video on there.
That's off. Hey Chris. What's that other one?
Alex, this is like really, we should start a partnership. We should do like random shit the entire summer.
We should. If my parents will let me.
Screw them, we'll just walk into town one day.
I'm like, I can go over your house. Like, what are we doing? Over your house or my house?
Everywhere.
You can't just sit everywhere. It makes no sense.
Do it at my house.
When I get home, I'm gonna fall asleep.
Hey, do you want to see some small video?
I don't have my...
What?
I don't have my phone here and I don't know where my parents are.
How your parents know where you are though? Like where do they know to pick you up?
The gazebo.
What?
That's where we got our ice cream.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, so
They're probably there right now. I'm gonna wait after the fireworks.
yeah, go there and ask them like if you can.
It's 9.
If you can stay over.
I doubt they're gonna let me.
You might.
I won't be able to sleep over. I know that.
You might.
No, I won't be able to sleep
Why not?
over. They don't want. Well, you're gonna have to ask them because they don't allow sleepovers.
No, I mean over my house.
Yeah, I know. They don't allow sleepovers.
They don't allow you to go over to people's houses and stay over.
What happened to my sister?
What happened?
She came back all drawn on. Yeah, great influence to have a sister.
That's what I do to my sister.
No, I mean at other people's house. I think she came back.
So it's not that.
I don't know. But since she does know you and Kurt, I could probably sleep over you guys.
Oh, it's my dad.
Well, yeah, we have to get your dad's permission too. I'm still gonna watch the fireworks.
It's a raid. Alex,
Rod, zoomed in too much. That. Come on. Enough with that. Enough with it. You want me to break that one too? Stop, Sean. You're moving my position. You got it. Sean. Is this what you meant by rear shoot? The fire hose. Let me see it. No, I mean inside. Whatever.
Sorry.
It's a nice boat.
Thank you. I try.
Sean, let's just going around. You Sean Battery. You Sean Battery.
I really gotta get a job now. I'm gonna have to fight all my neighbors' lawn.
Yeah, that'll go well.
No, I really have to.
Sean. Oh my God. Sean, this has been going on for 5 minutes.
Really?
5 minutes long. You can't see anything.
Well.
Sounds like fun.
You know what? I got a picture of me. Ready?
Where's that?
Sean's like, you want it? He's like, yeah, you throw it, go get it. It's going off for 6 minutes now. It's been going on for 7 minutes now.
For a YouTube video, you can like block out the commentary.
Oh, it's fun. I don't even know how. You think
You ruined the video, I can tell by now.
Yeah. Tell
I'm
when.
an asshole, so that's what I do.
No, that comes later. Stop.
Don't break it. You owe me $16.
Going for 8. For 2. I already break
No,
one.
$8 for one of them. And he broke one by hitting it so hard.
Your fault.
Not my fault. You're the one who hit it hard. We're supposed to go slow.
Oh, shut up. Yeah. You think I would block the commentary now after what there? He's like, keep head in my way.
You have to get rid of the sound. It's
Oh my God.
pretty.
Oh no.
Ain't it pretty?
Too bad. It's going on for 8 minutes. Boom. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. 9/11.
See stars all the time.
Stars. Yeah, you see stars all the time.
Look at me.
I got him.
Oh my God. Sean, this is draining my battery.
What?
This is draining my battery.
Yeah. I wonder why. Oh, come back, Dad. I hate how little battery these things have, though.
Well, I'm glad it's a rechargeable one.
Yeah.
I hate having to replace it with batteries.
Especially the Turtle Beach.
I know. They should really fix
Wait,
that.
wait, what's wrong about the headset or the wires? Alex.
For what?
Turtle Beach.
No, nothing's wrong. I just the batteries is what's wrong. I hate replacing
Oh, that's
them.
right. I remember. I was gonna give you batteries, and I kept forgetting to bring them to school.
I don't care.
What?
I don't care. I have no use for them.
You want it?
Can you stop that?
What?
Dude? Okay.
Sorry.
Jenna, you want
I didn't do it. I swear.
You touched my towel.
Who do you want to hold you? You me?
After the way you treated Sean, I don't think you want him to hold you. 11 minutes.
Jenna?
Oh, special effects.
No, mine has Lindsay.
Whoa, I'm gonna push you in there.
No, I'm Lindsay.
Ow.
Sorry.
My
You
ass.
stole that bag, really?
Yeah.
That can be your official wedge.
Whatsoever.
Sean.
Alright.
If Jose,
Grand finale.
if Jose was here, he'd be with that. No one is gonna sit here and watch fireworks for 12 minutes straight.
If you're able to come over, I can mix match the video so it's really story time with random fireworks.
You know what sucks? I have to watch all my videos, make sure they came out good. Oh my god! Yeah, because that's what they want to hear. Woo! With my booty.
Oh, still one.
We're still not done. It's like Christmas ones come up now. It's like, what the?
We were making up for lost
Okay,
time.
I'll bring it there.
We done?
Over there.
That's it?
Where's